Hello creators. In this video, we will talk about how to use the law of attraction to attract your ideal mate or the love of your life. As we have discussed before, the law of attraction deems that like attracts like. We've all heard the saying before, birds of a feather flock together. Well, this is of course most definitely the case when it comes to attracting a mate. As human beings, it is in our nature to overcomplicate things like finding the perfect partner. But if you stand in front of a mirror, the answer simply lies right before you. Let's begin. Each and every person out there has an idea of what they think is the perfect mate for themselves. We all have a certain set of qualities that we are looking for when it comes to a mate. These qualities are of course physical attributes and personality attributes. There is nothing wrong with having this idea of a perfect mate in your mind, as you can attract whatever person into your life that you want. However, you must be sure that you are doing it in the right way. Otherwise, you may just attract the same kind of individuals that you have in the past that did not work out. A key point when defining your perfect mate in order to know what you want to attract is that you must keep the attributes of this person in the positive. Meaning, picture this person as you want them to be and not what you do not want them to be. For example, if someone had cheated on you in the past, you may say to yourself, I want a mate who will not cheat on me. If you do this, you are placing your attention on the image of someone who will cheat on you, and you could potentially attract another person like this into your life. Rather, you should say to yourself, I want a mate who will be faithful and loyal to me. Another example would be wanting a mate who lives a similar lifestyle to you. If you are a non-smoker and you want a mate of the same lifestyle, do not say that you are looking for someone who doesn't smoke. Rather, place your attention on the ideal mate that lives a healthy lifestyle such as yourself. Now, there is one method of attracting your ideal mate that is perfect for you in every way that requires even less effort, and that is this. Be the person you want to attract into your life. I'm sure that we can all agree that we wish to attract someone that shares the same interests and qualities as yourself. As more likely than not, when two people share similar personalities and qualities, they are more likely to get along together. So, with this in mind, if you become and exude the qualities that you wish to find in a mate, you will attract the same kind of mate by way of the law of attraction. Think about it. If you put out all of these qualities into the universe, what will you get back? The very same qualities, because like attracts like. If you want a loving mate, then be a loving person. If you want an honest mate, then be an honest person. If you want a loyal mate, then be a loyal person, and so on and so forth. If you are doing all of these things and you still manage to attract someone with unwanted qualities, you must be very honest with yourself and figure out if you are really only placing your attention on what you want. We all often carry emotional baggage from past relationships that continue to run in the background of our subconscious minds that can and will affect what you attract. These subconscious thoughts can be changed, but this will be further discussed in a future video. If you focus on being the best person you can be, and you focus on feeling good and happy with yourself, more often than not, you will attract your ideal mate at this time. Things often happen when you least expect them, as you have no resistance. This is another key, as feeling desperate to be with someone can often only make you focus on how lonely or alone you feel. Be yourself and be the person you want to be with. Be happy and content with who you are and just being on your own. Before you know it, your ideal mate can and will come into your life. Remember that like attracts like, and the qualities that you place your attention on, or the qualities that you exude yourself, will be what the universe draws into your life. You have absolute control over the mate that you attract, as you have absolute control over what you observe, think, and feel. With these concepts and ideas in mind, you should have no trouble attracting your ideal mate. But remember, these concepts will take 5 minutes to learn, but a lifetime to master. Your success will depend on you and you alone. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, either way, you are right. So, there you have it. This is one of the methods of how to use the law of attraction to attract your ideal mate into your life. I hope you learned something new and valuable from this video, or that it reinforced something you already heard. If you'd like to learn more about the law of attraction, go to www.lawofattractioncreator.com now. Also, you can get our free ebook, The Law of Attraction in 3 Simple Steps. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe for more Law of Attraction content.